Good morning, students. How are you today? I'm making a webcast, a screencast, and I have an audience here that you can't see. I'd just like to say good morning to Sabrina, Daniel, Sierra, Heather, and also Medved, who we sometimes refer to as Medved. So I'm making this screencast because I want to show you how to make your works cited page that you'll have to do today. So I have in front of me this this template for a works cited page, and you can see where my cursor is that we have last name, first name, title of collection, etc. So for the sources you're using for your education synthesis, you have to find the author's name, the page numbers, and all that kind of stuff out of chapter 5. So I've chosen one here that I used in my example. It's Todd Gitlin, The Liberal Arts in an Age of Info Glut. And then I have the language of composition, and the title is all in italics. They're the editors, who are also the authors, then the publisher, year, and then the page numbers, okay? So I put all that information, there's the bell, in the right order, but you'll notice it's not properly formatted, so I'm going to show you how to do that for yourself, even though you could probably copy and paste this one. I highlight the whole thing, and then I go up here to the little triangle at the top in the ruler bar, and I move that over to 0.5, okay? That moves everything over a half an inch. Then put the cursor before the G in the author's name, just the first line, and then move the little tiny rectangle back to 0, okay? That creates a hanging paragraph. Now there's probably another way to do it, but that's the way that always works for me. So I'm showing you, and then of course it has to be double spaced, right? So that we highlight everything and then double space it. You dig? That's how you do it. So if this were at the top of the document, I would center it, and then I would type works cited. You got that? Good.